Hey there, car enthusiasts. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about a car that's changing the game, the Nissan Leaf. This car is electric, eco-friendly, and packed with amazing features that will make you wonder how you ever drove a gasoline-powered car. With its advanced technology, smooth performance, and affordable price, the Nissan Leaf is a must-see for anyone in the market for a new ride. So, let's take a closer look and see what makes it so special. What is the Nissan Leaf? So, what is the Nissan Leaf? Simply put, it's an electric car that runs on batteries instead of gasoline. But that's not all. It's also a car that's designed with the future in mind. With its sleek design, advanced safety features, and eco-friendly powertrain, the Nissan Leaf is a car that's perfect for daily driving. And with its range of up to 226 miles on a single charge, you can drive all day without worrying about running out of juice. Plus, with its advanced battery management system, you can charge it quickly and efficiently. Whether you're commuting to work or running errands, the Nissan Leaf is the perfect companion. And with its advanced features like regenerative braking, you can even recharge your batteries while you drive. The Nissan Leaf is truly a car of the future. Benefits of electric cars. So, why would you want an electric car? Well, for starters, they're better for the environment. They produce zero emissions, which means they don't contribute to air pollution. Plus, they're cheaper to run. Electricity is way less expensive than gasoline. And with fewer moving parts, electric cars require less maintenance than gasoline cars. That means you can spend more time driving and less time at the mechanic. But that's not all. Electric cars are also quieter and smoother than gasoline cars, making for a more comfortable ride. And with advanced features like regenerative braking, you can even recharge your batteries while you drive. Features of the Nissan Leaf. Now, let's talk about the Nissan Leaf's features. It has a range of up to 226 miles on a single charge, which is perfect for daily driving. It also has advanced safety features like automatic emergency braking and blind spot detection. And with its touchscreen infotainment system, you can stay connected and entertained on the go. Plus, with features like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, you can access your favorite apps and music with ease. But that's not all. The Nissan Leaf also has advanced features like adaptive cruise control and lane departure warning, making it a true leader in its class. Interior and comfort. Inside, the Nissan Leaf is just as impressive. It has comfortable seats, plenty of legroom, and a quiet cabin that makes it perfect for road trips. And with its advanced climate control system, you can stay comfortable no matter the weather. Plus, with features like heated seats and a heated steering wheel, you can stay cozy on even the chilliest days. But that's not all. The Nissan Leaf also has advanced features like a premium sound system and a panoramic sunroof, making it a true luxury car. Whether you're driving solo or with passengers, the Nissan Leaf has everything you need to stay comfortable and entertained. Charging and maintenance. Now, let's talk about charging and maintenance. The Nissan Leaf can be charged at home or at public charging stations. And with its advanced battery management system, you can charge it quickly and efficiently. Plus, with fewer moving parts, the Nissan Leaf requires less maintenance than gasoline cars. That means you can spend more time driving and less time at the mechanic. Performance. Now, let's talk about performance. The Nissan Leaf has a powerful electric motor that delivers instant torque and smooth acceleration. It can go from 0 to 60 in just 7 seconds, making it perfect for daily driving. Plus, it has a responsive steering system and a comfortable ride that makes it fun to drive. And with its advanced traction control system, you can stay stable and secure on even the slippery roads. Price. So, how much does the Nissan Leaf cost? The base model starts at around $29,990, making it an affordable option for those looking for an electric car. And with federal and state incentives, you can get even more off the price. Plus, with lower running costs and less maintenance, the Nissan Leaf can save you money in the long run. That means you can drive away in a brand new car without breaking the bank. Conclusion. That's it for today's video on the Nissan Leaf. This car is truly amazing, with its eco-friendly design, advanced features, powerful performance, and affordable price. If you're in the market for a new car, be sure to check it out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.